Hi, Tom. Can I tell you something?
Sure, Anna. Well, what's wrong?
I feel bad these days. I always compare myself to other people.
Compare yourself. Why?
Everyone is better than me. My friends get good grades, they look beautiful, and they have nice clothes.
Hey, stop. You are amazing too.
No, I'm not. When I look at social media, I feel like a loser.
Anna, you're not a loser. You just believe what you see.
What do you mean?
On social media, people only show the best part of their lives. They don't show the sad or hard parts.
Yeah, maybe. But still, they look happier.
Happiness is not what you see in pictures. It's what you feel inside. Comparing yourself to others is very dangerous
Why?
because it kills your confidence. You start to believe you are not enough.
That's exactly how I feel.
You waste your time looking at others instead of working on yourself.
True. Sometimes I spend hours just scrolling and feeling bad.
That's what I mean. It's like drinking poison slowly.
So, what mistakes do people make when they compare themselves?
First, they forget that everyone has a different story.
Right.
Second, they compare their start to someone else's middle.
Wow, that's deep.
Third, they think success means money or followers. But real success is being happy and growing every day.
I never thought about it that way. So, how can I stop comparing myself?
Step 1, focus on your progress, not on perfection.
Okay,
Step 2, be grateful every day for what you already have.
that's hard sometimes.
I know, but gratitude changes your energy.
And step 3?
Step 3, limit social media time. Follow people who inspire you, not those who make you feel small.
Sometimes I feel like I'm not good enough for anything.
Don't say that. You are unique. Nobody can be you.
But what if people are better than me?
There will always be someone better at something and someone worse. That's life.
So, what should I do?
Focus on being better than you from yesterday. That's the only comparison that matters. Let's do a little exercise.
Okay.
Say 3 things you like about yourself.
I'm kind, I'm good at drawing, and I help my friends.
Perfect. See? You have great qualities. Focus on them.
That feels nice.
Exactly. When you appreciate yourself, you stop needing to compare.
So the real message is I should focus on my own journey.
Yes, everyone grows at their own speed. Flowers don't bloom at the same time, but each one is beautiful.
That's a lovely example.
And remember, social media is not real life.
I'll try to remind myself every day.
You're already growing, Anna. You're thinking differently now.
Thanks, Tom. I feel lighter now.
Anytime. Just promise me one thing.
What?
Promise me you'll never compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10.
Deal.